This is a dumb question. Everyone gets it wrong. It's really weird. I'm not going to have a strategy for this. Your instincts are not going to be great. There's no real rule here. Maybe this is kind of like a frequently confused words thing because all of these kind of have the word taking in them, but I don't know. I just called it a diction question because it's really just about like, okay, this is what we would say. The answer is B. I'm going to try my best here to give you some concrete reasons. Let's start from the bottom. Taking off from the public interest. Well, taking off reminds me of a plane, right? A plane takes off. We're talking about reporters working on behalf of the public interest, right? That's their motivation. So taking off from, they're not like launching from the public interest. That doesn't make any sense. It's a very kind of like physical use of the word taking. So that doesn't make sense. Overtaking is also very physical, right? I think of a runner, coming from behind and overtaking the other runners ahead of him, right? So to overtake is to get ahead of something. So again, they're not really overtaking the public interest. There's not a race. There's no like order or rank of anything. So that really doesn't make any sense. The public interest is just like, doing things for a good civic reason. Most people, I think, when they get this wrong, pick A. It's close. Taking on, though, it has like a bit of a negative connotation to me. It's iffy, but like I think of that kind of as the real decider here. If you're taking something on, you're kind of like fighting it, right? You're I think of like a wrestler. I'm gonna take on the heavyweight champion and beat him and become the new heavyweight champion, right? So it makes it sound like the journalists are opposed to the public interest. They're taking it on. They're fighting against it. That's weird. We want to say that they're working on behalf of the public interest. So their work is undertaken, done in the public interest. Hopefully that was satisfactory. But yeah, this is why writing can be frustrating. With the rules and the strategies, you can get really close to perfect, right? Like I think the writing section is the most easily perfectible of all the sections in the SAT. You could get a 40 out of 44 by just practice. The rest is about luck. Sometimes you get questions that vocab words that situations that and you have strong instincts. Other times you get kind of this nonsense, and you have to do the best you can. And if you get a few wrong because of that, you shouldn't worry about it. I promise you, no college is going to care about a 30-point difference on your SAT. So if you're getting a 40 out of 44, you're doing great. You'll be fine. And just don't worry about this. It's frustrating, but it's not really going to impact your life in any significant way.